This is the 5-thruster mini underwater drone, a compact yet powerful tool designed for exploring the underwater world. It comes in a bright yellow color, making it easily visible beneath the surface. Looking at its size, it measures in at 8.9 inches long, a surprising 15 inches wide, and 3.5 inches high. While the width might seem a bit generous for a mini drone, the overall form factor is designed for portability, allowing users to easily transport it to their favorite dive spots. One of the standout features is its propulsion system. It's equipped with 5 thrusters, which is more than you find on many consumer-level drones. This configuration provides superior maneuverability, allowing it to move precisely in different directions, and also contributes significantly to its stability, even in currents. For capturing the underwater environment, it boasts a 4K Ultra HD camera. This means you can expect breathtakingly clear and detailed footage of marine life, coral reefs, or whatever hidden treasures you discover. The drone is connected via a 100-meter tether. This extensive length allows for exploration down to significant depths, opening up possibilities for observing deeper parts of lakes, rivers, or coastal areas that are inaccessible to snorkelers or shallow divers. Controlling the drone is made easy with an included wireless controller. The design aims for intuitive operation, so even beginners should be able to pick it up quickly and start navigating. Powering the exploration is a long-lasting battery. While specific runtime isn't detailed, the promise of extended exploration means you won't feel rushed during your underwater adventures. In the box, you'll find the drone itself, the wireless remote control, a battery, and necessary screws. Overall, this 5-thruster mini underwater drone positions itself as a portable and powerful option for anyone looking to capture high-quality underwater video or simply explore beneath the surface without getting wet. Its combination of a high-resolution camera, deep dive capability, and enhanced maneuverability makes it a compelling choice for hobbyists, content creators, or even professionals needing a versatile underwater observation tool. The bright yellow finish adds a practical touch for visibility. It seems like a solid piece of equipment for unlocking the mysteries of the deep.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.